So now I'm going to show you how to blow an egg. So we're going to make 2 holes, one in the top and one in the bottom, and then we'll be able to blow all the contents out, ready to decorate. So we're going to need to take a raw egg and a sharp needle, and then get a good hold of the egg, and in the end of the egg just try and make a few little holes like so. And then once you've got a few holes in it, you can stick the needle in and just lift it up a little bit. So we're just going to open up the end of the egg, a little hole here at the end of the egg, and the same with the other end. So if you can make a little circle or triangle of holes, or even just a couple, and then lift it out. Sometimes you might crack the egg a little bit, but it doesn't really matter too much. Okay, so once you've got your holes in it like that, then you can either take a bigger needle, this is a darning needle, or you could use something like a toothpick, and you're going to just break up the egg yolk on the inside. Okay, and then you're going to bring your bowl across, because you can still use the egg yolk. You're going to put it like that, and you're going to blow out the egg yolk. So keep blowing until you can hear the air coming through it. There we go. So that's that one ready to decorate. So now I'm going to show you how to put a thread onto your egg. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of one of these and then tie the thread around it. So it's a little bit fiddly. There we go, just tie a knot like that. And then I take one of our eggs, decide which way is up or down. I'm just going to put that through the hole